In today's video, we are going to show you how to add an address on Vinted so you can buy or sell items without any delivery issues. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and I want you to go to your profile, which can be found on the top right corner, and click the section that says Settings. Now, on the left side panel of your dashboard, sometimes it is called postage, but in most cases it's called shipping. I want you to click on it. Here, all I have to do is super simple. If you found the option that says add your address, this is where your couriers will collect or deliver orders and what Vinted will use to process returns. So, for example, we are going to add a new address. Click the plus button. Alright, so right now I'm using United States, and if you want to change a new address, okay, for example, we're gonna choose Finland. Put in your full name, new address, and of course your zip code. Once you are happy with this, okay, all I have to do is super simple. Click the save address. You want to make sure that you carefully enter all of these information. Double check everything to avoid delivery problems, because once all details are correct, again, remember to save the address. All right, now if you are selling, you want to make sure your address matches your selected shipping options right here, okay, because some carriers are only available in certain areas. And basically that's it for today's video on how to add a new address or an address here in Vinted. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.